I forget to ask, because I always do, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, like and comment. I always respond back. Number 5, marketing. So many times we come across people who are just starting out. And I remember when I was an independent cleaner and I spent my very first year, which is ridiculous to think about how much I spent when I had a full-fledged company. But I think I spent like, I want to say $750 my first year in marketing. That was business cards, website, and a logo on the back of my car. I actually at that time received 25% of all my business off the back of my car. Not on the sides of my car, but the back. You want a back logo. They usually can cost about $250, maybe a little more depending on your area. And sometimes you can even trade housekeeping services for the logo. So that would make it nice too, but definitely invest in having that advertisement. So when you're driving around, people always see your logo no matter where they are, because we're always at red lights. So it's just a no-brainer there.